To set up a Bitget wallet, start by going to the official Bitget website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide a valid email address and create a strong password. It is essential to use a unique and complex password to ensure the security of your account. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Bitget and click on the verification link to activate your account. This step is crucial to secure your account and enable all features. After verifying your email address, log into your Bitget account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you will find options to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. To set up your wallet, click on the Deposit button and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You will be provided with a unique deposit address, which you can use to transfer funds from an external wallet or exchange. Make sure to copy the address correctly and use the correct network to avoid any issues with your deposit. In addition to depositing funds, you can also set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. This can be done by navigating to the Account Settings section and enabling two-factor authentication. To do this, you will need to download an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, and scan the QR code provided by Bitget. This will generate a unique code that you will need to enter every time you log into your account. It is also important to keep your wallet and account information up to date. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to the Bitget support team. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely set up your Bitget wallet and start trading cryptocurrencies.